In a landmark judgment, the Supreme Court of India upheld the rights of persons with disabilities. A candidate with a locomotor disability was denied an interview for the position of civil judge in Rajasthan. This denial was a clear case of discrimination. His determination led to a profound impact on inclusivity in India. The RPSC had rejected his application, citing physical standards. They argued a civil judge needs to move around a courtroom. This sparked a debate about inclusivity in public services. This case redefined the rights of persons with disabilities in India. The candidate first approached the Rajasthan High Court to challenge the RPSC's decision. He argued that the rejection violated his fundamental rights. He emphasized that the RPSC had not made reasonable accommodations for his disability. The High Court, however, upheld the RPSC's decision. This setback did not deter the determined candidate. Undeterred, the candidate took his case to the Supreme Court of India. The Supreme Court is the highest judicial authority in India. The candidate argued that his disability did not hinder his ability to perform the duties of a judge. He found hope in the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act, 2016, which guarantees equal opportunities for persons with disabilities. The Supreme Court heard the candidate's arguments carefully. They recognized the importance of the case. It was a test of India's commitment to inclusivity and equality. The court's decision would have far-reaching implications for persons with disabilities across the country. The Supreme Court, in its verdict, ruled in favor of the candidate. The court emphasized the importance of inclusivity and equal opportunity in public services. The judges stated that denying a candidate an opportunity based solely on disability is a violation of fundamental rights. The court also highlighted the spirit of the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act, 2016. The court's decision was a victory for equality and inclusivity. It sent a powerful message that disability should not be a barrier to pursuing one's dreams. The judgment clarified that reasonable accommodations must be made to ensure equal opportunities for all. This decision marked a significant step towards creating a more just and equitable society. The Supreme Court's judgment was widely praised by disability rights activists and civil society organizations. They saw it as a powerful affirmation of the rights of persons with disabilities. The judgment set a precedent for future cases and helped to create a more inclusive environment in India. Section 4. Breaking Barriers. Section 20 of the Disabilities Act. The Supreme Court, in its judgment, specifically referred to Section 20 of the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act, 2016. This section mandates that the appropriate government shall take steps to provide reasonable accommodations for persons with disabilities. This includes adapting the workplace and work environment to meet their needs. Section 20 is a crucial provision of the Act. It recognizes that true equality can only be achieved when barriers faced by persons with disabilities are removed. The provision emphasizes the government's responsibility in creating an inclusive society. It emphasizes proactive measures to ensure persons with disabilities have equal opportunities. The Supreme Court's reference to Section 20 is significant. It reinforces the government's obligation to provide reasonable accommodations. It clarifies that inclusivity is not just an aspiration but a right. This clarification is a major step towards ensuring that persons with disabilities can fully participate in all aspects of society. Section 5. A more inclusive judiciary. The impact of the judgment. The Supreme Court's judgment has a broader impact on the Indian judiciary. It paves the way for a more inclusive and diverse justice system. The judiciary plays a vital role in upholding the rights of all citizens. Having representation from diverse backgrounds, including persons with disabilities, is crucial for ensuring fairness and justice. The judgment encourages other public service commissions to review their recruitment policies. They need to ensure they are in line with the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act. This landmark decision has the potential to transform the landscape of public services in India. It is a powerful step towards creating a more equitable and just society. The judgment also has a symbolic significance. It sends a strong message that persons with disabilities are valued members of society. They have the same rights and aspirations as everyone else. This recognition is crucial for fostering a sense of belonging and inclusion for persons with disabilities. Section 6. towards a more equitable future. The Supreme Court's decision is a beacon of hope for a more equitable future. It reaffirms the fundamental right to equality for all citizens. The judgment is a reminder that inclusivity is a legal obligation. It calls for institutions to create a level playing field for everyone. The fight for inclusivity is far from over. The Supreme Court's judgment is a significant step in the right direction. It provides a strong legal foundation for advocating for the rights of persons with disabilities. It inspires us to continue working towards a society where everyone can reach their full potential. This landmark decision marks a new chapter in India's journey towards inclusivity. It is a testament to the power of the judiciary in upholding the rights of the marginalized. The judgment is a beacon of hope for all those who believe in a future where everyone can thrive.